Hi guys, this is Peepersoak, and for this video I will show you on how to properly set up the glass bridge game. So first, we need to open the actual settings. So /ss glass bridge events or settings, then they have a name. So as usual, we need to set the game world preparation time, and we can just do 15 seconds. Now we have two additional time, which is initial time and the added time. So basically, initial time is the time that the first player will receive. Then for the next player, their time will have an additional time, depending on how many seconds we have set here. So basically, this is what will happen. So if we set the initial time to 60 seconds, then the added time to 10 seconds, then the first player will receive 60 seconds, the next player will receive 70 seconds, then 80 seconds, and 90 seconds. So this way, the first player will be forced to cross the bridge, or else they will be eliminated. Yeah, so this is the way that this is the way that we can force the player to actually cross the bridge. So basically, that's what the initial time and the add time is. So next, we have the jump cooldown. So basically, when players jump on the glass, they will have a half or they will have 1.5 seconds of jump cooldown. So this way, we can prevent players from actually parkouring the game, because there are scenarios that the server will actually lag a bit, and the players will have split seconds on where they can jump to the next glass, even if the current glass that they are, or even if the current glass will break. So for example, if this glass will break, then and the server logs, then the players will have a split seconds to actually parkour and proceed to the next glass before this glass breaks. So jump cooldown will prevent that, and they will be eliminated. That is the jump cooldown. So if you want to disable it, you can, but I advise that you enable this jump cooldown. Next, set game field. So for the game field, as usual, you can just do multiple, then add. Select this field, and then select this field only up to these chunks, because this is only the game field. This chunk here is already a safe zone, so you no longer need to set this as a game field, because this game also has a automatic end game features, on which if there are no longer players on this chunk and on this chunk, then the game will end and all of this glass will be removed. So you need to set the game field only up to this point. This chunk is already a safe zone, and therefore players will already be safe when they are inside this game field. The next, we have the start barrier. So for the start barrier, we can just do this one, multiple, add, click here and click here. This is to prevent players from crossing the bridge if the game has not started yet. So basically, we need to select, or we need to add a start barrier. Then SS events, we need to select end barrier. So this is optional if you want, but I want to use an end barrier here. So multiple add, click here, and then that's it. So now we can proceed to the next setting. So we have the start barrier, we have the end barrier. We now have to select the actual glasses. So to select the glass, first, so as you can see here, glass bridge are pairs of glass. First, enter first or second to select which pair you want to add. So basically, this is the first or this is the second, or this is the first or this is the second. So it does not matter on which glass you selected, as long as you select individually. I will show you on how to set them. So first click this, then as you can see on the chat, it's either first or second, so we can just use first. Then we can then break the glass of the first pair, so it's either this or this one, so we can just select this one, break. Then next we need to select second. So now you are now editing the second sets of glass. So break this one, and now to add them, we'll just use add. So first pair of glass has been added. Select first or second to select the next pair. So first, select. Second, select. Add, and then first, select. Second, select. Then add, then first. So for this one, we will select this as the first block. So first. Second, click, then add. So for this one, we will first select the second block. So second, click, then first, click, then add. Now, since we already done, we can just type exit. So we have set 5 pairs of glass. Should kill all, yes. Should auto start next game, yes. Then next game delay will be 30 seconds. And then reset glass location. Remove all glass location. Cannot be undone. So be careful on clicking this one. This one and this one are different. This will only remove the glass location, while this will remove every settings on this game. So now we are finished on the glass bridge game. We will now proceed to the final game, which is the Battle Royale game. See you on the next video.